If you're doing the Amazon influencer program, you are probably getting hundreds of these, lots of these. I'm getting anywhere from 100 to 200 a month, and they don't really help you. There's hardly anything on this thing that will help you identify products. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I track everything I'm getting from Creator Connections, so you don't have to rely on these slips. Literally everything I get is in a spreadsheet that I made with SellerAmp. You literally hit one button and all the information you could possibly need for a product goes into that spreadsheet, so you can keep track of everything. So you don't have to have brands or be searching like, where is this thing? What is this thing? So I'm going to show you exactly what I track, how I use it, how to set it up. Literally super fast video, but this is how I run my Amazon influencer program. I've been doing it for 2 years, do 6 figures doing this. So let's get into it. All right, let's jump into it. So this is the spreadsheet that I use to track everything. And you'll see there is no data in here. So what I used to do is, it'd be super annoying. Let's just say a brand agreed to send me this. So what I'd have to do is I'd grab this text right over here, come over here, and then we'd put this over there. If I wanted the date, I like to get the date that I'm requesting it, because I like to know when it's going to come. I'd put the brand name. I want the ASIN, which I'd have to grab up over here, which is just super annoying. So you would see, if you're getting 100 of these a month and you're just trying to keep track, it's going to take you forever to do that. So what I do is first I like to get this. I like to get the date, the item, the brand, the ASIN, the link. That's going to be the video I create for this. I drop that in here, and the price, because I resell a lot of these items. So in order to set this up, I use SellerAmp. There's a link down below. There's a free quick start guide for you. So you're just going to go to Sheets, and you're going to click Set Up. These are all the sheets that I have. We'll be using the AIP demo sheet right now. So I'm just going to hit Edit, and you'll see this. So I have the export date, the product, the brand, all this stuff. We'll jump back here in a second. But all I have to do is, this is a Chrome extension, so I'm just going to hit AIP right here, demo. And the magic of this, it's lagging a little bit because I'm recording this, it populates all this information for me. So if we click on this link right over here, it's going to take me right to the brand. So when you get one of those tickets and this is what is usually on those tickets. It's the exact listing title. So let's just say if I have a whole bunch of stuff in here, I just open this stuff up for fun. So I'm just going to go over here. We'll add that to the sheet. We'll scroll down over. That's not one. We'll go over here. We'll just pick up this projector over here. Let's say a brand is willing to send me this. It just loads up here. We're going to scroll down. AIP demo. This is the first thing I do when a brand agrees to send me a sample. I literally go to their product page and add it into this spreadsheet. So we have all this stuff. So now you can do iPhone. And it's going to show you all the stuff that has iPhone in the title. So even if you don't know the brand, you can match up the ticket like this, which just makes it super, super easy for me to stay organized, especially if we're getting 100, 150 of these a month. I do have a different one for when I do brand deals. I'll make another video about that at another time. But SellerAmp just makes it super easy for me. It's just really, really quick. And if you wanted other stuff, you could also add more items. So you could add an image if you wanted to see what it looked like. You could pick categories. You don't really need a lot more. This just works perfect for me. I've been using this for 2 years since I've been doing the Amazon influencer program. And another really quick thing that can be nice, if you forget to put this in your spreadsheet for whatever reason, you could literally, they have a history over here. So if you refresh this right over here, you'll see everything we just looked at is in this history. So all you'd have to do is pull that up. You could hit this Amazon button right here and it will take you exactly to that page. You have the ASIN over here if you wanted to copy that. So this just makes my life super easy. I have hundreds of things I'm tracking every month, and this is what I use to do it. So if you'd like to try SellerAmp, there'll be a link down below for you for exclusive discount just for you for watching this channel. There's also a quick start guide down there that has more videos on how to use it for the Amazon Influencer Program as well. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I will make another one for the brand deals because I do track that differently, but this is mainly for creator connections. Like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.